you guys. Happy Thursday to you, and I know it's late. I couldn't help it, couldn't resist it. Y'all know what I did. I went to the pier again. I'm at the beach again. Oh yeah, right here in Surf City. Okay, I got that for you, but before we do that, y'all, look what I caught. This was my first time ever using a lure on the pier. Look at those. I got two Spanish mackerels. I got 3 bluefish. I got a spot. And I think I got another big pinfish in there. Oh, there's going to be some good eating this weekend. Alright, here is today's date. I've actually got it written out on the cooler for you. I couldn't do this on the pier because it was too windy. For the month, we have 3 to the second minus 3 to the third minus 2 divided by -4. For our day, we have the square root of -4 plus 200. If you remember yesterday, this is similar to what we did. And then for the year, we have 0.8x divided by 2 over 0, not over, equal to 0.8. All right, y'all got it? Let's work it out. Get ready. All right, I got the expo here. Let's see if this works. All right. Now, if you went and you subtracted these, you were already wrong because we are not multiplying right here. We are subtracting. So you have to go ahead and find out what 3 squared is. You got to find out what 3 to the third is. And remember, 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 squared is 9. 3 to the third is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And then minus 2. We're not going to worry about that yet. 9 minus 27 is going to give us -18. -18 minus 2 is -20. So we've got -20 over -4. And -20 divided by -4 is a +5. So there's our day. Excuse me, that's our month. For our day, we got to do -4 plus 200 first. And we would get 196. And the square root of 196 is today's day, which is 14. All right, and then our last one here, there's a couple of ways we're going to go ahead and get rid of that fraction first. So everything gets multiplied by 2. So that 2 goes away because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you've got 0.8 x equals 0.8 times 2, which is 1.6. Can y'all see that? All right, and again, we've got tenths and tenths, so we're going to multiply everything by 10. I'll move that to the right one time, so that is 8x. And I've done something wrong. That's supposed to be 160. So it's 16. So whenever we divide by 8, we get 2. That's not the year. So what I should have done here is I need another 0 right here. So I should have left that as an 8 up there. Alright, and you guys can try that out. But that's kind of gross right there, but that's what happens when you pier fishing. But that is today's date for you. I know it's not year 2. But one little thing that we could have done to this is change that to an 8 and not an 8. Yeah, that's right. And then that would have given us the 16 right here. When we multiply by the 10, that would give us the 160, and then we would have got 20 right here. But anyway, I promise I'm not going to go fishing tomorrow. Yo, I got so much fish I got to clean. It's going to be awesome, though. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.